Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Appreciate y'all. Welcome back to the ones who are returning subscribers. Uh, Today we're going to be talking about me buying my first 3D printer. See me assemble it and put it together as I talk about why I chose the Creality Ender 3 Basic. Hey everybody, for the second video on the channel, I've been narrating some of my first 3D printer build. As you can see here, as we're going, I've already got the two sides up. I lost some footage in this. I don't have a lot of up close footage. This is mainly it as far as me putting it together. As you can see, we're watching a YouTube video to kind of help us go along. Um, my son, he's more interested in playing with the parts, I guess, but he really did enjoy the printing aspect of it. He sat there and watched the actual first build once we got everything squared away, because it did take several times before we can actually build something. You can see him actually getting in and tightening some stuff. So a little note, a little trick, you don't want to over tighten anything on here until you've got it set in place. That is a little tip that the guy that we were watching did let us know, and it did help as far as getting everything square in the final build. So, like I said, I'll be narrating some of this. And the brand I got was a Creality Ender 3 Basic.
Today, Junior?
So I went with Creality because it seemed to be, I guess you could say, the Honda of 3D printing machines. And I'll get into why I say it's the Honda of 3D printing machines in a little bit, but also because the base model was set at a decently good price, um, and it's not the best out there, but it's definitely not the worst. It's something that can be built on and definitely tweaked and made to work to however you need it to. As far as price goes, it was really reasonable at 190, 189.99 on Amazon. Um, got it a day earlier than I thought I would. It was like actually 2 day shipping for once from Amazon, so kudos to Amazon. Um, but yeah, it was a really good price. We didn't know if we were gonna like 3D printing, and that's kind of why we went with the cheaper one. We didn't know if we would have the patience. As you can see here, actually, you got to be a little careful with putting this on. Um, you got to twist that motor. You really want to follow the guide. Don't go a step ahead, or don't try to do something that the guide's not showing you to do. Um, but anyways, the price point was really good, and that's why we went ahead and got it. So um, also, why the reason I said it was the Honda is because of all the modifications and the upgradability you can do to this machine. And I'm sure you could upgrade other machines, but the fact that this machine is such a base model, you really could start from ground zero. This is a very basic machine. It does exactly what it needs to do as long as you know what you're doing. Um, so, and as far as modifications for it, there's filament guides because it needs a better filament guide, because as you can see here, as I'm putting the spool, it's going to come down to the left and straight into the extruder, which is not good. Um, that's another thing that needs to be upgraded, is the extruder, because it is plastic and it will break on you. But back to the modifications real quick. Um, I've got the filament guide on there, vibration isolation feet, a fan shroud. Yes, I did just say fan shroud. I also think I screwed up isolation. I mispronounced a bunch of stuff this video. Please excuse me. my second time, so still getting the gist of it. But back to the video. Keep plastic pieces from getting into the motherboard area, and a drawer to be done in the future to eliminate some other areas, and I'll show you. I'll get another video in the future of all these upgrades. This is just kind of a quick little build and review of what I've done so far in the last probably 5 days of getting my 3D printer. Also, like I said, an all metal extruder, a new Capricorn tube, and a magnetic bed. As you can see here, we finally got it going. We're kind of excited. I didn't ended up not filming because I ran low on battery. I only had one battery for this camera, but yeah, that's the build, and the high five. We got it working, and we're about to start building. And again, I'm gonna throw in some extra videos of everything else. All right, guys. Thank you. All right, y'all. That was my video of assembling the Creality Ender 3 Basic printer. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like I said in the video, I'm gonna have more videos about 3D printing. Um, it's absolutely a blast for me and my son. We love it, so we're gonna continue to mess with it and play with it and turn it into a fun little hobby for us. You're gonna see stuff that I've printed, stuff like that. So be sure to like and subscribe for more content from me. We'll talk to you later.